Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best massage gun 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. We're here to help if you've ever wondered how to use a massage gun or which massage guns are the best on the market, whether you've seen an ad on social media or someone at the gym using one. One of the greatest massage guns may appear to be a cordless drill with a tennis ball on the end, but it is a lot more sophisticated than that. Through fast pulses of pressure that encourage blood flow, these handheld massagers help alleviate muscle tightness and tension. The motorized percussion of a massage gun penetrates deep muscle tissue, causing muscles to relax after 30 seconds or so of use, often without you having to apply much pressure to the skin. I have prepared this video guide for the best massage gun, so let's get started. 3. Theragun Pro. The Theragun Pro is recommended for the more serious athlete, someone who receives professional massage therapy on a regular basis as part of their fitness program and wants to use a professional-grade recovery gun at home. According to Theragun, this is a sophisticated percussive therapeutic device in a class of its own. According to the company's website, the Pro penetrates muscles 60% deeper than conventional massage guns. 4 arm configurations allow you to reach every aching inch to, and 5 built-in speeds let you to apply gentle pressure to sensitive areas or severe pressure to extremely tight muscles. The Theragun Pro is the ideal massage gun for both athletes and professional therapists, one reviewer said. The Pro features an ergonomic design and an easy-to-use UI. This massage gun is one of the best because it has active torque control, which combines power and speed for effective treatment therapy. 2. Vybe Percussion Massage Gun. The Vybe Pro checks all the boxes, with 9 speeds, 8 attachments, a 12mm amplitude, and a long, ergonomic grip. Furthermore, 3 of this massager's heads are constructed of metal, allowing it to reach deep into your tissues. Vybe is capable of doing tasks at any location and at any time. With the tough travel case, you can take your recuperation on the road. And complement your vibration therapy by using the massage gun in conjunction with a foam roller or yoga mat. With a 12mm amplitude and 30+ pounds of pressure, you'll definitely notice the difference that true deep tissue massage makes. Swap the 8 attachment heads to target different muscle regions and get the greatest massage possible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A 24 volts brushless motor combines high power output with low noise levels. The innovative quiet technology of the Vybe Pro allows you to receive the healing you need without making a packet or disturbing your loved ones. With a battery life of 3 hours, you'll be able to use the pistol throughout both warm-ups and cooldowns. The Vybe Pro massage tool is ideal for supporting blood circulation or relieving muscle pain. 1. Theragun Mini. The Theragun Mini encapsulates all of the benefits of percussive massage in a very tiny and light design. The Mini, which is shaped like a thick and big guitar pick, fits easily in your hand and allows you to apply sufficient pressure to the muscle regions you're targeting. The Mini is available in 3 speeds, 1750, 2100, and 2400 ppm, percussions per minute. The device's speed is adjusted with a single button on the side, with 3 lights indicating the current ppm. One disadvantage of the Mini is that it only comes with 1 ball attachment. Nonetheless, when all is said and done, the regular ball is a fantastic catch-all attachment that can be used efficiently on most regions of the body. The Mini is also compatible with all of Theragun's 4th generation attachments, thus if you possess another current Theragun model, you can use any of their attachments with your Mini. Attachments can be purchased individually if you don't. So guys, this was the video about the best massage gun. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.